Alright, so here's this Panasonic flip clock that I'm selling on eBay. I'm going to plug it in and you'll see that it will turn on, and I'll just show that it's working. Hopefully you can see that the light comes on. It's not very bright under these circumstances, but it does work. And you can, sorry, the time is set at 2:22. So I'll just show you, it goes the full range.
Okay.
Really no static. You can see the little thing that indicates that it's working. And the clock is going, and you can actually see it's 2:23 already. I switched it to AM.
7 points, more than 2%.
A lot of people don't know this. Black Lives Matter.
He was.
Alright, so I'm going to try out the alarm. So I've got it on auto. And oops, I switched the clock, sorry. Alright, so that works. Snooze. Alright, so I'm going to actually turn it off. Put it on alarm. And that is the terrible sound that is the alarm. I think that's actually normal, believe it or not. So again, this is what I'm selling. It is what I would call fully functioning, and hope you're interested. Thanks.